Hello, sir. Am I audible? Hello. Hello, sir. Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Hello, sir. Am I audible? Okay, sir. Fine. So, good morning, everyone. This is Vishnu from Pantechelearning. Thanks to Sedu Institute for providing this wonderful opportunity to conduct this fruitful event on uh, augmented reality and virtual reality. So, based on this, this will be an emerging technology, whatever we are going to see. So, now let us see how that particular augmented reality as well as virtual reality will be working on. And we have some basic implementations on that. And I hope everyone is able to see my screen. So here, therefore, once whenever we want to work regarding towards this virtual or augmented reality, it completely comes under the system of an imaginations. Okay. So based on that, we have to continue on that complete developments. And here we will be seeing what are the tools completely used. Just a moment. Okay. So there's therefore whenever we are working on this particular kind of technologies, it is a complete new kind of implementations whichever we see over there. So based on that particular implementation only, now we are going to see how the virtual and augmented reality are working in our real world. So Pantech has been originated in the year of 2004. We have 7 branches and 100 plus employees. We have conducted more than 1,200 workshops. We have also crossed more than 100 plus webinars. So we have around R&D for industrial projects. We also conduct faculty development programs, hands-on training workshops, internships and plan trainings, short-term courses, graded courses, academic project training, customized design services at the state of R&D. So we have been expertised in these domains such as Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, embedded system robotics, VLSI, FPGA, image processing, OpenCV, network simulation, wired and wired, power electronics, electric vehicle, big data, data analytics, Internet of Things, Python, Android application development, data analytics mining, cloud computing, and mobile computing. Sorry, I hope there was some noise interruptions over there. And I hope, guys, if you have any doubt whatever I'm explaining, you can just post it in the chat box. Live chat is enabled from our side. So first we are going to see what is a virtual reality option. It is a complete kind of computer technology, whichever we are going to create in a environment world of imaginary. So within that imaginary, we can interact virtually, and at the same time, it is also known as other 3D world. Based on that particular kind of simulation or whatever the functions we are taking it as an complete analysis, we will be able to make an entire environment virtually itself. Like if you are feeling just to go out, we will be able to make some kind of virtual environment in a 3D, and based on that, we will also able to interact. If we rotate it any left or right, according to that, the turning also will be done automatically. And based on that, we will be completely moving on as an analysis over there. So this analysis means how much kind of virtual field you are able to get, how much percentage you are able to interact with that virtual field. And based on this complete section, we will be having any sorts of input. So that particular input is mostly set as any hardware. So with the help of the hardware, we will get some vibration, or if you press the key on the hardware, there will be some sort of actions taking place inside that virtual world. So like that. Obviously, if I want to say what is the best example for virtual reality means the game. So till now, the gaming application only plays a major role with virtual reality. So what are the applications? So the applications of virtual realities are military, education, healthcare, entertainment, engineering, scientific visualization, and film. So this particular complete military education, everything comes under the training sessions only. So for that entire training sessions, we will be using that virtual reality based. For example, let it be like military or air force. If they want to simulate any kinds of drive, so they will be using their simulation just for flight testing simulations. And nowadays, this particular simulations also has been applied in the real time, especially for your driving test, even for both two-wheelers as well as the four-wheelers. Then comes under with that particular education. So whatever if we are just learning, that particular learning can be implemented in the way of virtual reality, in the way of 3D sections, and that complete 3D analysis, it is easily available or it can be easily applied in a particular kind of way. For example, if you just take any kind of chemistry or mathematics, like that kind of subjects, it will be very complicated for some of the students. So to make them understand easily, with the help of virtual reality, we'll be able to implement over there. So what sort of sections means, like inside the chemistry, how the two chemicals are being mixed up and what will be the color combination. Then the same thing if we go for physics, how that particular current is being flowed, and at the same time if we go for the motion, the motion law. So based on the motion law, they will be able to provide any kind of virtual reality. Sir, your audio is interrupting, sir. So just a minute. Sorry guys for that particular interruption. So for each and every kinds of application, there are many kinds of sections like healthcare means virtually they will be able to see how that particular person's emotion has been analyzed with the help of the Kinect sensor. Or here we can also create that particular virtual heartbeat. So that can also be monitored. So how that particular function is being going on. So like this kind of some sort of virtual realities only we'll be able to create it as an input towards all the sections. And whenever we are working on this kind of function engineering, so that is the most important thing. Like all the industries nowadays are trying to turn their complete system analysis or virtual view or to augmented reality view just to solve their problems. So based on that particular section only, we can able to function or we will be able to analyze that each and every kind of system in a what to say complete analysis mode. So that's what here we used to say it as analysis section to analyze the problems. So definitely, if a motor has been fault means that particular motor should be able to view virtually, and from that virtual we will be able to segregate it. And that particular section only we can say it as engineering with virtual reality. So what are the different types of virtual reality? Those are known as non-immersive reality, fully immersive reality, augmented reality, and collaborative reality. So here, each and every types of realities has their own functions. Like non-immersive reality completely comes like whatever the games we play in our systems on mobile phones, we will get some sort of analysis like how we will be able to interact with them. So even though we are playing the game, it is not like we will be able to speak with that particular persons or we will be able to send a message. And based on that, we will also be able to uh, provide some assistance through the game itself. So this complete sections and all can be set as some sort of non-immersive reality if you are using our mobile phones or systems or laptops. We are playing the games. The same games if we play with some of the other devices like Kinect 3D or Kinect version 2 with some of the vibrant joysticks or handheld controllers. And at the same time, if you are just playing the game with the help of the VR boxes, therefore those and all completely comes under the fully immersive reality. So that immersive means it is creating that environment setup over there, and based on that particular environment only, we will be able to analyze the complete section. Then regarding augmented reality, we will be seeing in a detailed way. So the collaborative it is nothing but combining two or more into a single function. So based on that, collaborative means it may be non-immersive with fully immersive, augmented with web-based, or fully immersive with the web-based. So this and all completely can be set as the collaborative section, where web-based it is completely known as the 360-degree pages, which we will be able to work with our phone. So guys, if you have any doubts regarding this, you can just post it in the chat. So I hope there is no doubt regarding this. So what are the hardwares completely used for this kind of virtual or augmented reality means? Immersive rooms, data gloves, head-mounted displays, and wands, then handheld virtual reality controller. So within this immersive rooms, we are setting that complete environment and the data gloves, which has been mounted into our hands. So based on the particular speaker effects like 5D or it may be 8 dimension. So with the help of that particular speaker, we'll be feeling that we are inside that particular section, and we can also create a 360 degree or 0 to 180-degree view curves and kind of sections. So from that curve section, we can also implement other hardwares like wands in the form of steerings or controls. Everything can be provided. So this kinds of system, it is known as the hardware. So now let us look for the video. So how web-based application is created in YouTube for virtual reality. So this is one of the virtual reality section inside the YouTube. So now let us see for surfing. So how it will be. The same thing you have to view it in your mobile. So here with the audio itself, they are there. Whatever the 3D they have done, it is in the HD form. So here we will be able to view like this. So the surfing is being done. Same thing if you view into the phone means there is no kind of controllers in this way. We have to tilt our phone. So this is a multiple integrated with VR. The main thing inside the VR means most of them will be getting upgraded once they are fixing the VR and roller coaster application. So let us view for that. So these are all that particular experience which you will be able to get from virtual reality. So to know that particular field, we have to wear the VR box. Other than wearing of the VR box, we won't be able to get any kind of sections. So in this way only, the virtual reality, everything will be designed. So for that, there are many softwares required for it. So among the particular softwares, so there are some lists like Unity, Amazon Sumerian, Google VR, Unreal Engine 4, CryEngine, and Blender. So on this particular sections only, we will be working with as a virtual reality development. So here we are going to use Unity 3D. So based on that particular sections only, we will be able to analyze each and every functions. Okay. So now let us see how the Unity is being able to work. Here I am using this Unity Hub. So now we can create a new one. Yeah. So everything is created, and now we can have it. I'm going to click on create, and now the Unity file gets opened. So let us wait for some time in order to get turned open. If you have any doubts, you can just post it. I hope it takes some time. And once whenever you are working with this Unity, it is mandatory that you have to use the GPU because the GPU functions and performance will be displayed over here. Once again, we will try to open. So this will be our entire scene, and we will be creating all other sections over here only. And based on this, we will be able to that entire data. So once whenever we are creating any kind of view, we have to open that their components or whatever the objects required for us. Generally, when we are working for VR, the most important component which we have to add, it is nothing but the plane. Okay. So the plane is one of the most important. So from this, we can also select some other set of images or any other game objects also, like different shapes. You can also apply colors to it. Like here, if I am adding that particular section in the form of assets. So here I am creating some color. For that, I am selecting the material. So here the color palette will be displayed. Here we can choose our required colors. I'm taking the pale color option. So therefore, some of the attractive plane also has been created over there. Now within this plane, we have to apply the sections. Some of the floating objects. I'm making a floating cube. One floating sphere. So here you can see for the reality section, you can also change this light, and according to that, the shadows also gets varied. Then we need to add another one, floating capsule. Okay. So this is all completely known as the virtual reality. Now I have to create some different colors for this. So same thing, create material. For this, I'm selecting some bluish. So here I have changed it. Now on two more materials I will create. So but the last one will be you can apply white. Okay, this is Samsung sky blue. Light. Okay, so now we have changed everything. Let's see in the game. Yeah. So everything is ready now. Now how to interact this virtual? Like I want to run around this each and every place. So these are the complete sections. So here we can add whatever the assets we require. For that we have to log in into this with our own ID. So here I have logged in with my ID and I'm going to apply the first person camera. So in the meantime, if you have any doubts, you can just post it in chat box. Okay, so now we have completed our entire importing. So from the packages, I have to select the first person. I have to select this. So this module only we are going to implement over there. And whenever it has been working, means we no need to use main camera because we are going to use the first person camera setter, which also contains the audio. So here we will be able to move virtually here and there. Now the same thing I can also export it as a software. Whenever I double click, it automatically starts to run. Yeah. So based on this complete hours only we'll be able to make it. And once I'm getting back from the complete section, we'll come to know. And now we will export it into our file. So go for build settings. I have to select the required settings, PC, Mac, and Linux for standalone systems. And here I'm changing the architecture, which is enabled for both 32-bit and 64-bit. Okay, so from here, now I have to build this. So click on build. It takes some time to render the data. Just I'm giving some name. And let us wait till it gets rendered. So those who are online, we have updated the attendance form for day one. Yeah. So therefore, our complete application is ready. Now I am going to run this application of 636 KB. So this is the way we will be getting it in full screen. Whenever I am pressing space button, it is able to jump. So once I'm out of the plane, so it will be this view only. Then I won't be able to walk or anything. So I have held down. So I can quit and I will restart. And the same thing I can also convert into Android app. So how to convert into Android app means go back to the Unity, select the Android, Then the required versions like switch platform. So I have to convert into Android architecture. And here we can also analyze the GPU's performance over there. So this will be the 3D models and rendering sections of copy dedicated GPU section. So I hope the platform switching is going on. I hope it has been converted now. Now let's go for the player settings. So here I am enabling my virtual reality support. Adding the required one. Like I am providing the Google Cardboard. Okay, so we have selected all the sections which are not required. Now we have to go on publish. So everything is normal. Or what the other set of settings. Company name, everything is automatically filled up. So once again, let us have a go through. Here we forgot to change our preferred API level, and I am setting it from Android 8.0, and that's it. And close it. And now let us provide it for build option. Now the app is being built. finalizing the build, and finally it is ready. Now, let me switch over and transfer the app towards my phone. Okay, and I'm copying this APK, which should be installed. So copy. We try to upload this file now. There are some issues with building the app. Just forward once again for build. So it is being updated over here. So once again, let us try. And I have once again has been created.
நான் கூட ப்ராஜெக்ட் கம்ப்ளீட் சர்டிஃபிகேட் தான் இப்போ சாஃப்ட் காப்பி கொடுக்கலான்னு இருக்கேன்.
Due to some issues, it was not able to connect over there. So once I will show it by connecting what are the existing apps available in my mobile with Zoom itself. So we'll stop sharing. Please hold for some time. We'll be sharing the mobiles. Joining to this meet. Okay. So this is now completely created with Google Fretboards application. So when I'm rotating the phone, completely gets turned over there. As I'm not able to copy the tab, I'm showing whatever which has been designed previously. The same thing only we have also applied over there. So today we have seen regarding towards the virtual reality creation in the form of app as well as Windows platform. So this is another one. And therefore, that's it. I hope. If you have any doubts, you can just post it in live. So if you have any doubts, you can just post it in live chat. Yeah, currently this particular environment is being changed for virtual reality. Inside this Industry 4.0, they are minimum planning even for this. Yeah, thank you, Abu. Thank you for your valuable comments. So this is the way we will be working with virtual reality, and tomorrow we will be seeing how to work with augmented reality in applications and creating an app AR section. So if you are new to our channel, you can just subscribe our channel. And if you are required with any of the commitments like conducting any of the classes or workshops, or if you want to join our upcoming workshops, you can log into pantechelearning.com. So we have our upcoming events. We also have about to conduct some of the free workshops. Okay, guys, thank you all for your participation and supporting us. We'll meet you tomorrow at same time. I hope you all have enjoyed this particular workshop. Thank you all, and thank you to Sedu Institute of Technology for providing this wonderful opportunity. Tomorrow also we meet at the same time. Thank you all.